the Tech Design channel. So friends, today we will talk about Acer V227Qbmixv LCD displays. So friends, Acer introduced the three versions of full HD liquid crystal panels, and it is a product for Acer's sustainable Acer Vero series that employs recyclable plastic, on which the company has recently focused, and it uses recycled plastic for 35% of the main body and 100% recyclable material for the package. And friend, three variants are available: the 21.5-inch V227 Qbmixv and the 23.8-inch V247Ybmixv and the 27-inch V277bmixv, and all of which are used the non-glossy IPS technique for liquid crystal display, and the frameless form is also suited for multi-display applications. And friend, the V227Qbmixv has 16.7 million display colors and NTSC color gamut of 72% and brightness of 250 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio of 1000 Gem1, a response time of 4 milliseconds, and refresh rate of 75 Hz, and the interface is HDMI 1.4, D-Sub 3.5 stereo mini jack, and the speaker is 2 W x 2, and the bass roughly 3.5 kg. And friend, the features of V247Ybmixv are 8cm V227Qbmixv, and friend, the V277bmixv specification will be available in late November. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.